It is currently 11:04, just waiting for the taxi. It's gonna be here at 11:10. I'm ready, and I just want to do a quick outfit of the day for you guys to see what I'm wearing. I quite like my fit, even though it wasn't planned. I think I'm going to do a get ready with me with this outfits just for TikTok or Instagram reels. Top is from Bershka. My jean is from Jada, I think Jada. I don't know about the brand, but I got it from TK Maxx. So yeah, and it's really nice. My sneakers is from Pull and Bear. The last time I did a trial outfit check wearing the sneakers, I said it's from Primark. Nah, it's not. No wonder the quality is ace. Ignore the the extension plug. And yeah, my glasses from Longchamp. And that is how I look. I'm going with my coats. Let me wear it. And this is my full outfit. What do you think? I love it, actually. Looking good. The perfume I use is my Coco Chanel or Chanel. I already put it in my suitcase, so I won't be able to show you guys. That's the only perfume I'm traveling with, or I'm going to London.
They tried to close him down. They tried to stop him. But he never said anything. All he said is, this is the fact.
Hey, I found my heart. I found my heart.
Oh, I don't think arranged.
You were standing there. You bravely let me in. I could wait a million years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be.
In this relationship, there's three people. One person with style and one person without. Baby, look at your comments. All your comments.
None of them.
All your comments say this is a fine guy. Are they fine? Love's a wonderful thing. It can't suffer annoyance. Very annoying. I'm being educated on this other fact that somebody is trying to disrupt my learning.
I found a star, I found a star in you, always guiding me to where my words are true.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So we just arrived in London, well, not really London, Sutton, and yeah, it has not been an easy trip. Honestly, I'll tell you that it hasn't been easy. We've literally hopped on maybe 5 trains altogether. It's been crazy. Not even in London. Well, I wasn't even in London yet before I started getting stressed. This is every time I come to London, I get reminded that I do not want to live here. Like, I just see why I do not want to live here. Too much stress. Anyway, let me show you what the environment is looking like. It's so windy.
Fireworks, but I'm not afraid to be alone. New beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about
Hey loves, good afternoon. We just arrived at the hotel and I just want to do a quick room tour before the room gets all messy. I had to stop it from getting messy. So that's the entrance, and to your right we've got the bathroom.
baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter
And that's me. Hey Andy. TV, mirror, and yeah, that's it about the room. There's really not much to show. That's it. And we've got a view here, not a nice view. That is all we're getting. Yeah. That's it, basically. Andy came prepared. At first, when he told me he came prepared and he showed me this tea bags, I was like, okay, no problem. And then, dude brought out a teacup from his bag. Like, why do you need a teacup?
For tomorrow when I'm in the office.
He brought out a teacup. I'm like, yo, you're only here for 3 days. Like, why do you need a
I'm here
teacup?
for 4 days.
No, you're here for 3 days. You leave on Thursday.
Yeah.
So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
You're not counting Sunday.
Of course I am.
Why will you count Sunday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You leave on Thursday. So that's 3 days. So thank you all for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in my next vlog. I'm not sure if I would want to go to central London because Sutton is not really central London. It is outside London. So I'm not sure if I would want to go to central London. I'll just probably check on Google and see things I can do around Sutton, because it's a long way going all the way to central London. I'm not even 30 minutes. I'm not. I don't know. It's a long way because I'll have to hop on trains or tubes, and gosh, I despise underground trains. Like, despise the underground trains in London. It is noisy. It is, honestly, it is frustrating. So I don't know. After this video, I'm going to go on Google and check things I can do around me, which is in Sutton. But the problem is I've got to meet up with some friends, and they're probably not in Sutton, or maybe they are, I don't know. So I'll have to go. I might have to go to London. I might have to go to central, well, no, maybe not central London. I might have to go to London. Or if I wasn't seeing my friends, I'll just stay. If I won't be seeing my friends, I'll just stay in Sutton. But yeah, I like the hotel. Anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, or maybe later if we go out. Bye. Thanks for watching, and I love you.